Do you want to start a successful YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? You are not alone. With over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, standing out seems possible, but it's not. Today, I'm going to show you exact step to start a YouTube channel that gets noticed and grows fast. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to launch like a pro. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please like this video, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Let's get started. Before uploading your first video, you need to lay a foundation. Here is how to do it. First, choose your niche. What do I mean by choosing a niche? Pick a niche that combines your passion, skills, and audience demand. Ask yourself these three questions. One, what am I good at? What do I enjoy? What do people search for on this YouTube platform? For example, if you love cooking but notice a gap in quick meal ideas for busy professionals, you have got a niche, right? The second thing you need is research your audience. Yes, understand who you are creating content for. Are they teens? Are they teenagers, working professionals, or parents? Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, or even Reddit to see what your audience is searching for. Or you can go to your YouTube desktop version. Under the inspiration aspect, you can see the brainstorming ideas of what people are searching for on your niche, depending on the type of content you are making. This research helps you create content that meets their demands. The third thing you will do is to define your unique value proposition. Why should people watch you instead of someone else? That is what you need to ask yourself. This is your unique twist. Maybe it is a sense of humor, storytelling, or unique editing style. Write this down. It will guide your content direction. This is how I do my own. I was first doing content on random topic. If you can go to my previous YouTube videos, you will see that my channel was meant initially for movie stuff, my monologues, my acting stuff. But at a point, I noticed that I wasn't getting that views that I needed. So I had to now choose a particular niche that can what? Help my acting. At least I can speak well and you can look me at the camera and can understand what I mean. So I have known who my audience are. I have defined my audience. Another thing is setting up your channel. Now, let's set up your YouTube channel step by step. Step 1, create a Google account. Go to the Google, create a new account, and head to your YouTube. Simple, right? Step 2, customize your channel. Go to your YouTube dashboard. Click on the Customize channel. Start with your profile picture. It should be clean and represent your niche. Next, upload a banner. Use tools like Canva. This is what I use to design my professional looking thumbnail. I use Canva. So use tools like Canva to design a professional looking banner with your name, tagline, and upload schedule. For in case if you want to be maintaining consistently with your upload schedule. Write a compelling about section. Tell viewers what your channel is all about and how it can benefit them. Use keywords here. The next thing is enable channel setting. Yes, don't forget the technical setting. Go to the setting and enable two-factor verification. I mean two-step verification to secure your account. Turn on monetization to prepare for the future. That means if you are crossing to that monetization word threshold. The next one is add keywords to your channel description for discoverability. Please, if you want me to make a video about how you can add a keywords to your channel, let me know in the comment section and I will do that right away. The next important thing is planning content. Now, let's talk about content strategy. Without good videos, even the best setup won't matter. Yes, if you don't make a valuable and a good video, the setup doesn't matter at all. All we want is for you to give us a valuable content, present us something that is valuable, something that can solve a problem. Yes. Now, how are you going to plan your content? Brainstorm video ideas. Start with 10 video ideas. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ or YouTube search bar autocomplete for inspiration. Like I said, you can still go to your YouTube desktop version under the inspiration tab. You click that inspiration and see what brainstorming ideas. Think about solving problems. These are what your audience wants on this YouTube platform. Entertaining or educating your audience. People love to get a solution to a particular problem on this YouTube platform. So you need to make it valuable for your audience. Step 2 on how you are going to what? Plan your content is what? Create a content calendar. Yes. Consistency is the key. Decide how often you will post. If it is weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, they are a great starting point. Yes, it is a great starting point. Use a free calendar app like Notion or Google Calendar to plan out your topics. I mean, to plan out your content ahead. The third one is script and storyboard. Don't wing it. Write script or bullet point to stay organized. Use storyboarding to plan your shoot and ensure your videos flow well. The next section is filming and editing. It is time to create your first video. As someone that is starting his or her what? YouTube channel. Step 1, get the right equipment. You don't need fancy gear. Start with your smartphone or a budget camera. A good microphone like the Rode Video Micro. You can start with this microphone. I have this microphone. The reason why I am not using it is because I just want I wanted to express myself to more. So and I know that I'm not having any noises from the background. That is why, but most of my video I use my mic. This is it. So if you can afford it for a good word audio. The next one is lightning. Use natural light or invest in a ring light. If you don't have money to purchase the ring light, you can make use of the natural light, especially from the morning time or afternoon time. That time the sun is hitting and we are getting this light. Like I make this video with a natural light. So I believe you are seeing me clearly and it looks so good because I am using my good phone. So this is the only thing I'm using to film my content. So you don't need all those expensive things to do what? To do your content or to shoot. So just have those little ones you can do. Just make it good and presentable. The second step is film your video. Use these tips I'm about to give to you. Film in a quiet, well-lit space. I mean, a place where your voice can be out. Frame yourself properly. Yes, your eyes should be at the top third of the screen. Speak clearly and fluently and with energy to engage your viewers. Yes, that is where most of these creators on YouTube get is overlooked. They film their content without engaging their viewers. They will just stand erect and be making video. How do you want your viewer to resonate with what you are giving to them? So you need to make it engaging for them to keep coming back for your content. Because when you are making a good content, people will love to be what? Watching your videos. Step 3 is like edit like a pro. Editing is where the magic happens. Use free tools like CapCut, cut out the awkward pauses. Cut out the unnecessary parts in your video while editing your video. Add text, transition, and background music if needed or if necessary. It's not a must that background music is necessary. Like this video you are seeing right now, did I use any background music? No. So keep it engaging. Short videos often performs well. Instead of you filming and shooting all the hundred thousands of videos in this world, it's better you make one or two quality videos. Your audience will do what? Appreciate you for what? For that. The next section is uploading and optimizing. Your video is ready, right? Now, let's upload and optimize it for success or for discoverability. The first step you are going to do is to write a clickable title. Yes. If you don't have any clickable title, if you don't have any title that once your audience saw your video or saw the title, they will be enticed to click. They will be craving to click on that word on your video. Now, how are you going to do that? Use keywords your audience search for. For example, instead of vlog 1, use how to start a YouTube channel in 2025 step-by-step guide. Guys, this is what people are actually searching for on this YouTube space. So, or how to make money, because people are looking on the way to make money every single day. People are searching for it on YouTube. Even though your video is about how to get 1,000 subscribers, make sure you include those searchable keywords so that your audience can see and discover your videos. Another thing is create an engaging thumbnail. Now, let me tell you something. For you to know how well your video is doing, go to your YouTube analytics, click on any of your video. You see this impression click-through rate that you're seeing right now? Yes. Click on this sign. This sign you are seeing right now. If it is showing you that people are choosing to watch your videos, that means that video, both the thumbnail and title, people are clicking on it. But once it writes something like people are not choosing to watch your video or people on YouTube are not getting to watch your video, that means you need to do something. You need to adjust either your thumbnail or your title. You need to twist something so that people can see it. All right? Your thumbnail should be bright, clear, and include text that complements the title. Yes. Use tools like Canva to design yours. Guys, Canva app is one kind of thumbnail editing app. I use it to make all my video thumbnail, including this video you are watching right now. I use it to make this particular amazing thumbnail you are looking right away. The third one is optimize tags and description. Use keywords in your description, tags, and even the video file name. Like, I made a video of how you are going to perfectly upload your YouTube videos. In that aspect, you are expected to do what? To add a name to that your video file. You are expected to name that particular video, to give it a fine name. You understand what I mean? So if you have not watched that video, this is the video. Go and watch it so that you will learn how to upload your YouTube videos. Okay, don't forget to add timestamp for easy navigation. But most of my videos, I don't use timestamp on all my videos, but just one or two of my videos that I use timestamp to navigate because I see it as a lot of work, as another extra stress for me. But I think I'll start implementing it from today. So if you want me to do a video on how you are going to add a timestamp, let me know in the comment section. All right. So and also I will be dropping the link of that video, how you are going to upload your video, in the description button. The last but not the least of all of this thing I am saying is growing your channel. Finally, let's talk about growth. The first thing you will do to grow your YouTube channel is by promoting your videos. I mean, share your videos on social media forums or email lists. I didn't mean sharing links. So do not share any of your YouTube links. Just if you know how you can take that video from your phone gallery and post it on any of the social media platform, fine. You can also send your thumbnail to them so that you can now ask them to go to your YouTube channel and find this particular video instead of posting your YouTube link over there. It can harm your channel. It can cause more harm than good to your channel. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Yes, many content creators you are seeing on this YouTube platform do it. I do it. Vibe do it. Robert Benjamin do it. Many people, Prince Ashma do it. Prince Ashaima do it. Every content creator, they do it. Glory C do it. Blessing Ezewanya or Blessing something something, she do it. She always collaborates with what? With Glory C. They do it. They create content together. So you need to collaborate with other what? Creators to maximize your what? Your reach. The second thing is engage with your audience. How can you engage with your audience? Reply to comments and ask viewers to like your video, to subscribe to your channel and share your videos. Alright? The third thing you could do is analyze and improve. Use YouTube analytics to track what is working on your channel and what is not working. Then adjust your content strategy based on your views, watch time, and audience retention. And that is how you start a new YouTube channel in 2025, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. You got any questions? Drop them in the comment section. I had love to help you out. Now go and create that first video that you have in mind. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.